Okay, the librarian spent 1888 buying books. Okay, and then during the promotion that is shown below, how many books? For every each book costs $16, but for every 18 books, this 18 books. Okay, and then the 19 and the 20 books, 19 and the 20 books is actually half price. Okay, so I can say that if I want to find one set like that, is equals to how many books? One set like that is equals to 18 plus 1 plus 1, because here is one book, right? Here's one book. So will be equals to 18, 19, 20, 20 books. One set is equals to 20 books. So this one set, 20 books, costs how much? Okay, for this, right? Because 18 books, each book costs $16. So 18 times 16. So on the 19th and the 20th books are half price each. $16 by 2 is $8. So here is $8. And then in total give me a $204. Okay? Okay, I know that in total I spent about $1,888,000. So I know that, right? One set, if I want to purchase one set like that, it cost me $304. So I put 1888 divided by 304. I'll give me 6 remaining. And then I told you before, when you're doing remaining for paper 2, right? Because you're not the calculator won't give you an actual value maybe. So it's best that you do this, you do 1888, you already know that here is 6, right? So you use 6 times this. Give me a minute. Do a fast one. You use 6 times this, and I can easily calculate what is the remaining. I don't depend on my calculator, because my calculator may give me to the simplest form. So I have remaining of $64. $64. Okay, so 6 sets. How many books are there in 6 sets? In one set I know that 20 books. So 6 sets, right? I'll have 6 times 20 will be 120 books. Okay, but then the story don't end here, because I have remaining of $64. So I know that one book will actually cost $16. 64 books, how many books can I buy? 64 divided by 16, it will actually nicely give me 4 books. 64, sorry, maybe I put here is less confusing, dollars to dollars. Okay, $64 will give me how much? 64 divided by this is actually this one times this one divided by this one. 64 times 1 divided by 16 will actually give me 4 books. So the total number of books that I can buy will be equals to 120 books plus 4 books. Will be 124 books. Just for this case, you see, you just stop at groups. What you gave me is only the number of groups. So you see, for every 6 pence, I'll have 1 pen free. 1 pen free. So I'm just, here I know that all add out to 84 pence. So if I will use 84 divided by 7, will give me 12 groups of this. But then the question is asking, did the question ask you about groups? No. The question is asking you about how many pence did he pay for? So you know that in one group, right? He paid for only 6 pence. So I have 12 groups. 12 times 6 will be 72 pence. So these 72 pence are the pence that he paid for. But then the free one is actually free 12 pence. 12 pence are free. So when you do this, right, you add out to 84 pence. Come to here, the figure below shows 2 square, A and B. So A, right, is 1 over 4 are shaded. So over here, I put here 1 unit, 3 unit. So this 1 unit is shaded. Okay, So for B is actually 1 over 5 are shaded. So 1 unit is shaded, and then here 4 unit unshaded. Okay, so this is what it means. So here you know that here is 3 unit, and here is 1 unit, and here is 4 unit, and here is 1 unit, right? Because the 1 unit are shaded. So what is the fraction that is shaded in the whole figure? In total, how many units they have? 3, 4, 5, total is 8 units. Okay, the whole figure has 8 units. So I will have 3 add 1 add 4 because 8 units. This whole figure, okay? So the shaded one will be 1 over 8 units. So answer will be 1 over 8.